All right, so this is my shocking rate comparison tool that I've created and I'm giving to you for free. So here's how it works. First, let's assume that you're purchasing a property at $700,000, which is close to the average sales price here in San Diego, and you're putting 20% down. That gives you a loan amount of $560. With loan scenario number one, let's say it's a 4.5% interest rate. Here is your monthly mortgage payment, $2,837. Now, you can see that if your interest rate were to increase, let's say to 5.5%, your monthly payment would increase to $3,179. That's a difference of $342 per month more that you're paying. So let's say if you were to keep the home for the entire 30-year life of the loan, you would end up paying over $123,000 extra in interest. That's extra. And it gets worse than that because not only is your payment going to be higher and the amount of interest you pay higher, but also the portion of your payment that goes towards paying down the principal balance is going to be lower. So let's take a quick look at the amortization schedules here, and I want to give you a fair warning. Most of your eyes may gloss over seeing all these numbers, so you don't need to pay attention to all of this, just right here. So with loan one, 4.5%, your first payment of $2,837 has $737 going to pay down your loan. The other $2,100 is interest. So if we look at loan number two with 5.5% interest, your first payment of $3,179 has only $612 going towards paying down the principal balance. So that's $125 less that's going towards paying down your loan, even though you're paying $342 more per month. So where does all that difference go? It goes towards interest. So let's go back to the calculator and let's say that you decide to sell the property after 5 years, which isn't uncommon. With loan one at 4.5%, your remaining loan balance at the end of year 5 would be about $510,000. That's how much you need to pay the bank back when you sell. With loan number two, that number would be about $517,000. It's over $7,000 more. So with the higher rate, if you sell after 5 years, you owe the bank an extra $7,000. Plus, look at this, you've paid them nearly $28,000 extra in interest over just that 5-year period. That is pretty shocking, am I right? Now, this example was with the purchase price and the loan amount remaining the same. Well, let's say the $2,800 payment in scenario one is the max you qualify for based on your income, or maybe that's just the max that you want. So that means when the interest rate increases, you won't qualify for the same loan amount anymore because the interest rate's higher. So to stay at the same payment amount with the new interest rate, you now only qualify for $499,000. So using the same $140,000 down payment as before, that means you can only buy a $640,000 home rather than the $700,000 you could have bought before. So you've lost over $60,000 in buying power. That means even though you're getting the same payment as before, you have to settle for a home that's worth $60,000 less than before because the interest rate is now higher. Crazy, crazy stuff. So if you'd like to get this tool for free to play around with yourself, and all the equations are built in, so you just plug in what numbers you want in only the yellow cells here. So if you could say $400,000 purchase price, or change the down payment, or the interest rates, you could make that 6. Everything auto calculates. So just simply go to the link in the description, get on my VIP insider list, and I'll send you this tool for free, and you'll also get some other really cool tools that I'll be creating in the future.